This is Jim Cantora. We're in Salem, West Virginia, and the weather is brutal. There's a tornado watch. I'm not going out there. I would recommend that none of you either.
Holy shit, yo.
The hail, hang on. The hail is big.
Yeah, dude, don't come out here.
I'm not trying to get hit by hail. It's bigger than that. Shit. It's bigger than a marble.
Yeah, yo, this shit's huge.
Dogs got pissed off at us or something.
Yeah, man, I told James Ford to make it rain harder and he brings hell with it.
I told Alan not to mess with that grave up there. Up there.
But I did.
Up there. I told him not to mess with that fucking grave, dude. And he did it, and now look what's happened.
Alright, we're